so funny because I was so wet on my face. Can you see this? And I also hit the rock because I was going to Caroline and it's Jenny's fault. Hello people. Look at me and Nadia, we're standing here. They try to find. They're searching for my thunder. They're in the water. They're going in.
We're going in.
We're going in.
Have you met anyone from...
Yeah, I did definitely.
What's the name of it?
Frida?
Looks so
There was another option. Yeah. Caroline that god jul på födelsedag. Grattis på födelsedagen.
It is on any work.
And I'm like, he might have been the first
Avocado.
who was gay. And I'm like, I don't know.
Hello. We are going to the Margaret Court Arena.
Oh yeah.
Because we are going to buy tickets to Celtic Woman. They are playing in 1 month.
Big fan over here.
Big fan. Many of you is going to be like, what's Celtic Woman? Go and find them, search for them because they are.
Hello guys.
Hi!
Sorry about that.
It's an outside cinema
Yes.
at Botanical Garden.
Yeah.
Moonlight Cinema.
Yeah,
Here we go.
Moonlight Cinema. We are
In
going.
Melbourne. And
Yes.
today we are going to watch Dirty Dancing.
Dirty Dancing.
It's so funny.
So now we are going just to hang and have a pretty damn nice.
You will see we have like all this good stuff.
Yeah. Look at this.